Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you my restoration of a special tarot deck named Tarocchi Lombardi. This is the box. You can see it's very beautiful. And now I show you the card. You can see the information card. It's very different with Tarot di Masi and Tarocchi Milanesi. And it's very cute and beautiful deck. So you can see the graphite, Papa, the lover, and the chariot. You can see it's so impressive, very beautiful. Never see the card like this. See the force, very special, very like this card, the death card. You can see the temperance, the devil. The devil is so lovely. I love her pink wings. The tower is not broken. The star, see, it's very beautiful. The minor card is from Spanish suited. Very special. You can see the flower. Very cute. I like it. Back. It's very special in this deck. You can see it's very back to the reader. You can see very different with TDM. See, back to the reader. It's a very special pose. I love the blue. The blue is so nice. Right? So nice. See, the moon and the sun. Yes, back to the reader. Very beautiful. You can see the card is used casino card paper. You can see very hard. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. You can order this deck from my website. Thank you.